What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jake here, aka Brushstrokes. Today, I'm going to show you my new Iwata Micron. So, if any of you have been looking to get a Micron and just don't want to spend that $400 or $500 on it, perfect chance right now. Iwata has a closeout deal on the old version of the Iwata Sb Micron, the side feed version. I'll leave a link to it right down below. You can head over, check it out yourself. There's some other airbrushes on there too that are closeout deals, really super cheap as well. So check them out while you're there. If you're looking to get a Micron but you don't want a side feed, you can always opt in for the GSI Krios PS770 or 771 now. They actually make this in a chrome. You can get this at Spray Gunner for $215 on sale right now. I'll leave that link for you down below. But let's get back to the Iwata Micron. So, they do sell this without any accessories, so I just wanted to unbox it here, show you what we got. So, it's just packed in some bubble wrap. You got your packing slip here. Ooh, nice. It does come with the cup as well. I was gonna buy another one of these the other day, except they're like 40 some, almost $50. So you get a cup with it and the wrench too, which I don't even use those, but there we are. Custom Micron SB. Super cool. So I don't know if you guys saw one of my more recent videos. I did buy the Takumi, so might as well put these side by side right now and do a little comparison. So one thing they did, here's the Takumi here, and this is the SB. So they did shorten the distance, as you can see right there, from the trigger to the needle tip there. They shortened that up some, and they changed the cup on it as well. But yeah, now I got two Microns. Pretty sweet, pretty excited. I will do a head-to-head comparison with the two in an upcoming video, so make sure, if you don't already, hit that subscribe button. And yeah, if you're interested in getting a Micron, super cheap, one of the best ones available, airbrushes available, period. $250 over at Iwata's website. Again, check that link below. Also check the link for the GSI Krios Micron as well if you're interested in a gravity feed brush. But yeah, really excited, looking forward to using this on some upcoming projects. So till the next one, keep those brushes stroking.